जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 35th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, great warriors like Duryodhana, Karna, all these great soldiers have very high respect for you. Now, if you do not perform your duty, if you do not fight this battle, what they will say, Arjuna? They will say, Arjuna ran away from the battlefield out of fear. They will say that. But in fact, what you are doing is because you have so much of compassion towards all the people over there, because you have so much of respect towards Bhishma and Drona, all the great people. That is why you are retiring. You are not fighting this battlefield. You are thinking not to fight, right? But these great warriors will not take that way. They will simply say, Arjuna ran away from the battle out of fear. You should not be doing this, Arjuna. Like this, Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to perform our duty efficiently and not to carry any kind of compassion towards those who do not deserve, not to show compassion where it is not supposed to be shown. Having this teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Bhayadranat Vuparatam Mamsyante Tvam Maharadhaha Eshanchatvam Bahumato Bhutva Yasyasi Laghavam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, and keep doing all your activities to impress me. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Keep reading one sloka every day at least. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall take care of you. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing all my activities to impress you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुक महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to all other Maharshis, Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Arjuna sharing all of his grief with Dharmaja and also recollecting the memories of the memorable moments of Krishna Paramatma. Arjuna saying that, O Dharmaja, O my dear brother, you remember that day when I went to Drupada Raju's, Drupada king's assembly, and in Draupadi Swayamvaram I did shoot the fish, the Matsyam, and with the same arrow and same bow I could fight with all those kings who came over there, and I could let them lose their entire strength. All that I could do only with the compassion, only with the blessing of Sri Krishna Paramatma. O Dharmaja, such Krishna Paramatma is no more now. O Dharmaja, because of Krishna Paramatma only, because Krishna Paramatma was driving my chariot on that day I could fight with Devendra, who came along with so many devatas, and I could give that Khandava, the forest, to Agnideva for him to eat away. I could do that only with the blessing of Sri Krishna Paramatma. O Dharmaja, because of Krishna's anugraham, when the Agnideva was completely burning the Khandava, the forest, Maya, he came out of that. He was protected from that flames. The same Maya built such a beautiful assembly for all of us, which is known as Maya Sabha. He did that. So all this happened because of Krishna Paramatma's anugraham. O Dharmaja, you remember in the same Maya Sabha, when you did your Rajasuya Yagam, all other kings came and gave you so many presents and gifts in the same Maya Sabha. All this happened because of Krishna's anugraham. O Dharmaja, you remember our Bhima, who has got so much of strength. The strength is equivalent of 10,000s of elephants. Such great strength our Bhimasena has. But on other hand, there used to be Jarasandha. He was so powerful. Even all the kings used to come and do Pada Puja to him. To that extent he is powerful. But our Bhimasena could kill Jarasandha. How? Only because of Krishna Paramatma's anugraham. Because of Krishna's anugraham, Bhimasena could kill Jarasandha, and Bhimasena could free all the kings who were kept under the custody of Jarasandha. O Dharmaja, so many favors Krishna Paramatma has done to each and every one of us. Such Krishna is not with us now. Like this, Arjuna is sharing his grief, and what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavatam 2nd chapter 35th sloka. Bhayadranat Vuparatam Mamsyante Tvam Maharadhaha Eshanchatvam Bahumato Bhutva Yasyasi Laghavam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.